As companies take measures to continuously improve operational performance, understanding and comparing true current performance across lines and assets is key. Unfortunately for most companies, the performance information needed for actionable decision-making is typically incomplete and out of date. The process for collecting this information is often manual. Line supervisors and continuous improvement engineers comb through multiple sources of OEE data and operator feedback. They use inconsistent KPIs to create their own customized report of performance. The net result is that the timeliness of information and different interpretations of performance make it difficult to understand current performance, determine where to take action to improve OEE, or compare performance across products, lines, or assets. As a result, corrective actions cannot be taken in time, overall performance lags, and orders are late. Companies need to create one up-to-date version of truth for performance across production lines and establish a foundation for actionable improvement. Enter Factory Insights as a Service, a SaaS-based offering from PTC and Rockwell Automation that leverages Microsoft Azure technology to reduce time to value for deployments at scale. The offering's real-time production performance monitoring use case addresses these problems. The use case provides manufacturing executives and plant managers with top-down, real-time visibility into consistent KPIs, such as overall equipment effectiveness, mean time between failure, and mean time to repair. The KPIs can be calculated from data pulled from automation systems, IT systems, as well as manual data entry from operators for additional reason codes. This allows companies to move beyond asset-oriented OEE to understand and compare performance across assets, lines, or products based on date, time, shift, or crew. They can easily spot trends and drill down into causal events to identify key losses to remediate. Taking this top-down approach, PTC customers have noted significant potential performance improvements, including 5 to 20% increase in OEE and 2 to 10% increase in yield. For more information on Factory Insights as a Service, visit ptc.com/factoryinsights as a service.